Got a nice little quick one for you today. We're going to do a pork loin wrapped in bacon. Get some seasoning on, put it on a smoker. Have that for supper tonight. See here, I got half a loin. It's not a whole one, don't need that much right now. But we got these little pieces we need to trim up for uniform cooking. The back, there's not much of a fat cap. A little bit here, but it's so thin I don't want to get rid of it. I will just do some light slices so we can get some seasoning down inside. There's not much silver skin. There's all this little bit here. Those little trails. See? Nice and uniform. Looks pretty good. And we got some Dizzy Pig today we're putting on here. I don't like to use binder too often, especially on a small piece of meat like this, and we're putting bacon on. No real need. That looks pretty. Now I got an injection I made up. Basically 3 parts apple juice, 1 part Dijon mustard, and a good heavy shake of our rub. So we'll take that. We'll just get down here in the pretty meaty parts. You see it plump up right there, a little bit run out. That's fine. A little bit like that. And we'll continue that throughout the rest of the loin. So I've got some nice center cut thick bacon here. Now most people like to do a bacon weave. I found that doing the weave, you leave these little square patches that just don't cook quite as well as the rest. So then you get chewy bacon where you don't want completely chewy bacon. So just a regular wrap will work. And you just align them wherever fits best. See, we got some thin at one end towards the end of the belly, thicker at the other. Usually I like a little puzzle. We just need enough to cover or to wrap around the main part. Like this. Oh, see, look at that. Beautiful. So now we'll lay right in the center. Now the bacon's a little stretchy, so you can pull it. What I'm gonna do is, if we can reach, like so, just toss a toothpick in each end. Pull them out before you serve. Like that. So I'm gonna finish wrapping this. I got smoker outside set at 225. Got some hickory pellets in there today. And that's gonna cook just till the loin is about 150, 155 internal. We're not going for a pulled pork, obviously. We're gonna slice this in nice 1/2-inch pieces. It's gonna be delicious. So there you go, everything's wrapped. So I got some pieces on the end there. Toothpick in there, hold that nice on. Same with this guy. Season the outside, nice and pretty. Let's put that on the smoker. Well guys, it's been about 4 hours now. Just pulled the loin off the smoker. We got to that 150 internal temp. Pulled the toothpicks out. As you can see, bacon's holding on. Looks absolutely mighty tasty. It's been resting for a couple minutes now. We'll take a little slice here and see what the inside looks like. You can see that juice pouring out. Look at that. Just dripping. Beautiful. Get that little bit pink around the outside. I can get a little closer angle on you. Ah, wonderful. I mean, sure, look at this. I hate to take a bite to ruin how pretty it is. But it's pretty simple, as you can see. Good food. Doesn't take much time. Just takes a little bit of love. I hope you do it yourself. Tell your mom and them about us. Like us, share, subscribe. We're getting back at it. Every day a little better. Hope y'all doing good too. We'll see you next time.